Hi, this video would provide a brief overview of Tree Manager and where we use the location service, why we use the location service in the app, and where it is used in our website. So let's start by logging in. So Tree Manager is a software designed for handling tree works. We have different clients like insurance and SCS and emergency trades who provide us with source of tree works, and we use the Tree Manager system to find the local provider for that service and allocate the job to them. So here's where the location tracking gets used. So anytime we enter a new job with all the information and enter the address, we use the location service to find the driving time and distance time of each provider to that job site. So the reason why we do this is we handle tree work, which is emergency trades. So it's like when a tree is on a house or it's on a roof, we want the nearest provider to be able to reach the site and provide services immediately. So that's why this information is captured, and this is where it is used. So based on the location, in this case 179 Copeland Road, all these are tracking the different companies, that these are all different logins in the app and how far they are and how much time it would take for them to reach site. So here's where we use it for allocating that work to the closest provider. So I'm gonna pause this now and quickly jump onto the app and provide a demo of the app. Okay, so with the Tree Manager app, so I'm already logged in to this particular app, and yes, this is basically a dashboard listing all the jobs that are allocated to me, and these are different steps in the workflow. So the first step is how many jobs I have to accept. So the first thing I need to do is accept a job. I can find some job information here. This is where I need to go, and this is how soon I need to get there. So I've accepted the job. The next step is to call and book a visit. So before we do that, we can look at the information of whom I'm contacting and their phone number. Where is the location, so I can view it on map or get driving directions, and I can also read description on what to do for this particular job. So I'm making a phone call, and based on the phone call, so I can decide one of the options, whether I was able to book a schedule for inspection. So if I was successful, I can say I'm gonna be there at 11 a.m. confirm, done. So once I've done that, I can take photos. So these are all about the tree work. So this is photos indicating what actually went wrong on site. So once I've loaded the photos, I can add description for the photos if I want, and click continue to save. The next step is to do the tree information. So this is pretty much a matrix providing information of tree works, how tall it is, where is it located, what's the size and all that, and also capture the damages, what type of damage is available for this. So it's hit the roof, that's it. So you have done the photos and taken tree information as well, and we need to now provide a cost estimate for this. So we're saying here's the cost estimate, so this takes X amount of dollars. So I'm gonna have a very simple code so that less than $100 gets auto approved. So that's why I'm going to choose less than $100, because otherwise I have to stop the video and go through an approval process, which I don't want to. So I'm just going to select one. That's it. That's $58. Once I submit it, so you can see there was an auto approval, and I'm saying yes, I'm going to finish this job. So at this point I have an option where I need to do a risk assessment matrix. So I'm going to upload my risk assessment matrix. I'm just choosing some dummy information. So once I do that, I can finish the job, and then I can say I have to load more photos saying that as proof of completing the work. So this is basically me confirming that yes, I have removed all the trees. And here's the confirmation again, photo upload. Once that's done, I can invoice the job. So I have a CSO form, I get a sign off from a customer on site, and then I can invoice the job, and that's it. This is basically the workflow. The other options we have are, we have some payments showing when the payments are due, and we also have reports which helps us to see different jobs and what is the status on those jobs. Like if I've done this job 6 months ago, I can still go in there and view all the information. Okay, and there's a notification area as well, which we have not completed. This will be in the next release. So this is basically what are the different notification triggers that would be in place. Yeah, so that's the basic workflow. I hope this is enough. If you need any further information, please get in touch with us. Thank you.